What if the very structures that power our cities could also heal our oceans? You're about to discover a revolutionary idea, turning old wind turbines into vibrant underwater cities. This isn't just about sustainable energy, it's about giving marine life a brand new home. As we head into 2025, a new challenge emerges rapidly for offshore wind turbines. What happens precisely when they reach the end of their entire life cycle? You might be surprised to learn that decommissioning old turbines is a growing global concern, with both environmental and financial costs on the rise. Currently, many turbines are simply dismantled and scrapped worldwide, but this method has significant drawbacks, including harm to local marine life. The process of cutting apart and disposing of turbine components can release toxins into the ocean, causing harm to local ecosystems. You may not realize that the steel from old turbines can also contain hazardous materials, like toxic metals, that pose serious risks if not handled very properly. As the industry rapidly grows, so do the substantial costs associated with decommissioning, which can be as high as millions of dollars per turbine. These expenses are typically passed on to consumers directly, making renewable energy sources slightly more costly than they actually need to be. But what if there's a proven way to simultaneously reduce both the significant environmental impact and the substantial financial burden of decommissioning now? Researchers are now exploring a surprisingly innovative solution, repurposing old turbines as artificial reefs to actively support marine life effectively. By leaving turbine foundations intact and modifying them to create diverse habitats, scientists are turning giants into thriving ecosystems slowly. This innovative approach not only significantly reduces waste, but also lovingly provides a home for numerous vibrant marine species, from fish to colorful coral reefs. You might wonder, how exactly does this complex process work? The process involves assessing the turbine's structure thoroughly and modifying it for marine life harmony. This can include adding diverse materials to create complex nooks and crannies for various species to inhabit, significantly enhancing local biodiversity in the area. Studies have shown that these artificial reefs can become just as diverse as natural reefs, supporting a remarkably wide range of marine life effectively. In fact, some decommissioned turbines have already been converted into artificial reefs, showing promising initial results for the local marine ecosystem. Not only does this eco-friendly solution help the environment significantly, but it also reduces the financial costs associated with decommissioning processes. By repurposing the existing turbines effectively, the need for expensive dismantling processes and hazardous disposal is significantly minimized overall. This innovative method is rapidly gaining significant traction as a win-win solution for both the renewable energy industry and broader marine conservation efforts globally. As you deeply consider the rapidly evolving future of renewable energy sources, it's clear that innovative solutions like this will be absolutely crucial. The shift towards repurposing old turbines greatly highlights the importance of thinking creatively about various environmental challenges effectively. It's a perfect example of how human ingenuity can creatively turn a potential problem into a remarkable opportunity for significant personal growth. So, what can we learn from this innovative approach? The key takeaway is that with a little creativity, waste can become a valuable resource effectively. By adopting this comprehensive strategy, the renewable energy sector can significantly further reduce its overall environmental footprint effectively. The benefits extend beyond the environment significantly too, as it can help make renewable energy more cost-effective and viable in the long run. As the world rapidly transitions to much cleaner energy sources, innovative solutions like this will become increasingly vital and important globally. You can be part of this change by staying informed and supporting initiatives that promote innovative environmental solutions. The next time you hear about massive offshore wind turbines, you'll know there's more to the fascinating story than just energy production, obviously. These structures have the potential to play a very significant role in effectively supporting diverse marine ecosystems, a true environmental bonus. By turning old turbines into thriving diverse habitats, we're not just reducing waste, we're creating a new sustainable chapter for renewable energy effectively. Now you know, the future of offshore wind is not just about clean energy. It's about creating a healthier, sustainable planet for generations to come.